Okay, let's take a look at subtracting integers and do our best to keep it simple. First thing we need to do is understand the term additive inverse. It's what we add to a number to get a sum of 0. For example, the additive inverse of 3 is negative 3. The additive inverse of negative 5 is 5. You can see that the additive inverse of a number is its opposite. To subtract integers, you change the subtraction sign to addition and the sign of the number after the subtraction sign to its additive inverse, or opposite. Then we follow the rules for addition. A quicker way to say this, when we subtract, we add the opposite. Let's look at some examples. We have negative 13 minus 15. First thing I want to do is to change the subtraction to addition. After I've done that, I look at the sign of the number that comes after the subtraction sign, which is positive 15. I want to change that to a negative. So now I'm adding negative 13 and negative 15. My rule for adding integers with the same sign is to add them together and keep the sign. 13 plus 15 is 28. They're both negative, so it is negative 28. Looking at number 2, 17 minus negative 12. Change the subtraction to addition and change the negative 12 to a positive 12. 17 plus positive 12 is positive 29. Okay, let's try some on your own. Pause the video now, try these 4 problems, and then unpause to see how you did. Okay, let's take a look at these 4 problems. Number 1, we would change the subtraction to addition and the negative to a positive. So we're going to find the difference between 23 and 17. The difference is 5. 23 has a larger absolute value. Its sign is positive, so our answer is positive 5. For number 2, 52 plus positive 34, we would just simply add them together and we get positive 86. Number 3, we get negative 28 minus 13. We're going to change that to plus negative 13, so we're combining 2 negatives together. We add them together. 28 plus 13 is 41. They're both negative, so it is negative 41. For number 4, it's negative 12 minus negative 13. We're going to change that to adding positive 13. We find the difference. The difference is 1. 13 has a larger absolute value, so we keep its sign, which is positive, for an answer of positive 1.